Hey guys, I went camping for my mom's birthday last weekend. So I made a vlog out of it and it's just really chill. It's just like a bonus vlog and it's not the best quality, but we are working on that. But whatever, you're not here for the quality, you are here for the vibe.
Now you may say, Ashton, why do you look like an adventurer? I'm going camping. I don't know about y'all, but it's too much shit going on out here.
Put in a dark bitch, stop in a hard bitch, not a hard carpet, and look on her scar bitch. Your girl bleed, my girl scream, your girl sleeping, my girl dreaming. They all creaming, we all creaming, we all creeping, they all screaming, we all eating, we all cheating, we all bleeding, we all fleeing. Put in a dark bitch, stop in a hard bitch, not a hard carpet, look on her scar bitch. Your girl bleed.
Not yet.
Hey guys,
You ready to go eat brownie cupcakes with everybody?
Brennan here with the same shirt all the time.
We're going camping.
That's it.
It's actually my mom's birthday, and we're gonna go to a couple of stores, get her a gift or wrapping paper. I'm so glad I said that. I forgot the wrapping paper. Shoot, man. Okay, so it's actually my mom's birthday, and we are all going kayaking and camping. Y'all look, they go Moo Moo 10. Oh, what are you doing? But you, oh, I thought it was some boogers.
Everybody thinks that.
What? So it was a long drive, a long cold drive, but I listened to my music, so I was in my zone. But we are here. We made it. Right now Brennan's taking a dookie. But we're about to set up our tent by everybody's and, you know, chill. It's about to be vibey. But we gotta set up the tent before it gets dark or else we're fucked. You ever try to put up a tent in the dark? It's so pretty. Like, I just feel like I can breathe now.
And then shortly after this moment, I found myself outside watching my mom unwrap her gifts. So enjoy the video of that.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. What is this? Single burner propane stove. Ooh.
Yeah, I bought that, Mom.
Yes.
Nice.
Period.
Oh my gosh. You guys really think I'm a chef out here in these streets? I am.
Where's Taletta?
Ozark.
Oh, look,
Ozark
Cameron.
too.
Y'all look so cute with y'all's life jackets.
I got you these too. So you can cook that.
You gonna peel them?
Oh, he made them.
I ain't. I can't.
You peel yours?
I got a
Oh, those
whole
earrings are
thing.
nice.
Oh, you like?
They're rainbow.
This my. With my.
Oh, that's real. Eh?
Oh,
Yeah. This not even my birthday yet.
wait. That's real?
Pre-birthday yet.
That's real, mommy?
What do you mean real?
Agent just said it's real.
Well, it's real jewelry. What do you mean?
Like
Daddy bought
Swarovski
it.
diamond.
Yeah, it's daddy bought it, so you know it's nice. Ew. They want me to cook.
Yes, that's what we trying to get at. What you cooking?
I'm burning up everything.
22 piece.
Y'all better eat. Wow.
What the world?
I mean, so when
Brennan,
you
you
go out all the
missing
time,
it.
you have your cookies.
I got cooking stuff for Jesus. Y'all really want me to cook?
No, we need our stuff back.
Oh, wow.
You
Nah.
got the good spatula
Yeah.
and the good tweezers.
No. I got my own stuff. I left the stuff at the house. I didn't take much from there.
That's a whole set.
You got that black honey?
Cups, pot.
You got canned cooking nuts.
I don't have it. Look, I got to fit my ear.
Oh, I just saw this.
What?
I just saw this and thought this was a great idea.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you say,
I just saw this.
Yeah, we all start to go to the
Thank
same
you.
store.
Guys.
Yeah, I got a whole.
It's right here.
I messed my hand
Agent,
up.
back up. You messing up the light.
But really, it's just actually forming a callus and it hurts. Oh my God, Ozark is taking over.
stretching it out.
I'm getting scared. Isn't there a movie called Ozark or a show?
Yeah, it's a show.
I don't know.
Flip yet?
Five
What don't?
piece mess kit.
What's a mess kit? What's a mess kit?
That's all you need. Cook your mess.
Whoa.
What's a mess kit? Hey, and she purple. I don't even know who this is from.
What?
Oh.
That is
Because I
clever.
just saw purple and she was like, oh, that's her favorite color.
Well,
Yeah.
who's the other stuff from?
The first one was mine. The second one was Ashton's, and
The other two things.
the rest of it.
Oh.
From everybody here.
Thank you, guys.
Happy birthday
Let's
to
go,
you.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
I can hear you.
Happy birthday, dear Auntie Mom.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, y'all know we got to do the other version. Ready?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Don't do that. You better be singing or move your lips. Happy
birthday.
I'm really praying that they don't copyright me for singing happy birthday because we sung it wrong, but we'll see what happens.
Everybody about to get Mexican.
All right. Y'all can go around in a circle. Y'all can tell me why y'all happy. It's
Woo! All right, that tent looking like it gotta go up. Guess who put this tent up? Me. I'm just playing. My lovely boyfriend. Brandon put the entire tent up, and thank God.
I said
What?
it was baby.
I know, we didn't expect it to be this small. They clowning us because our tent little. I don't even know if the airbed's gonna fit in this. You want me to stump him in?
Some what?
I can stump him in. You got on little rubber.
that thing made me wet. That blue thing. That made me wet.
Oh, it's a whole path how to get down here. This is crazy. Wait, y'all going out?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Be safe. You got on a life jacket? Okay. Don't catch nothing, AJ.
If you fall, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just trying to see y'all. Okay. Please don't fall.
And I don't know how to do it, so you're going to be doing it right.
Lord, why you say please don't fall?
Taylor, I don't know how to do it, so you're going to be... Wait, I thought it was with your feet.
Move your paddle.
I could have sworn it was a bike thingy, like paddles.
Nah, you gotta do it with
Hey, you ain't see what I did to you.
Are you turning it around? I see you. Y'all need to go over there. Look. Go over there to that house thingy.
I'm just
Lauren, you better not.
What is in a lake?
Dirt. Pee.
Leeches?
You are standing in a bathroom, sis. Wow, this is beautiful. Do they have a dock you can walk out on? Oh, yeah, you almost fucked up for real.
You see it right there?
The dock?
Right there.
I guess I could jump
But
down.
I'm like literally right. You see it like right there?
Oh, that's the dock?
Uh-huh.
Oh, man.
Oh my god, my underwear is gonna be
Y'all
wet.
trying to go on like a night walk, like adventure? Is that like bad, like scary?
Where we gonna go?
Yeah, ain't no Crocs in here. This is very
Crocs?
patrolled water. What? I know, right? We got us a little adventure. Pee gal. Hold up, Lauren. That's funny, cause you had to pee and your pants wet.
Cause that's where's that?
Huh? It's only the back though.
You pee on yourself? No.
We know.
Smile.
That's crazy.
What's that in that
Lauren,
blue thing?
Lauren, look how dirty.
Sanaya.
Turn around and look how dirty the water is. And you're kicking your feet up in. You can't even see your feet, bro.
Yes, I can.
I'm about to throw up, man.
I did not pee. You just snapped that you peed on yourself. I see that dark spot
Where?
there. Y'all see it? It's dried up pee.
No.
I did not pee on myself because I was just in that white and blue thing right here.
All right, come here. Let me show you this. Come. We're going to act like it's a leech on us. Like, you know them little tick? Because I know she never seen a tick before. We're going to be like, while she playing in that dirt, we're going to be like, yo, what is that on your foot? We're going to get her later on. We're going to be like, yo, something eating your foot, bro. It's a tick. That's a tick. And you be like, exactly. I know what that is. That's a tick. And it's going to be just a part of her foot. Okay. She going to be going crazy.
Y'all see it? This is where we going in.
Y'all ain't going in that alone.
Oh no.
No, yes, my ass. Y'all going to go with two grown-ups.
No, AJ and Taylor going.
You can stay down there.
I know. I'm about to go.
I'm screaming. I'm gonna give y'all a tour around the campus site. Okay, so this right here is a fire by the trees. We got my tent, me and Brennan's tent. We got that's y'all tent, right? The girls. AJ, that's everybody's tent right there. That's my parents' tent. And that's it. There go my mama. There go the birthday girl. There go Brennan. Car shining or whatever. You got the pump? Let me help you. Bad bitch, not Trina. Oh, that ain't ring a bell.
Bad bitch not Trina, but I swear to God, this make you call your girl up and tell her, hey, what's good? J. Cole.
Bad bitch named Trina.
No, he's J. Cole. Bad bitch not Trina, but I swear to God, this bitch will make you call your girl up and tell her, hey, what's good?
What? Did you get our? Did you? But they sneaking. They trying to get on that lake by themselves. That's why I told them.
I didn't really do a good job vlogging yesterday, but I do have footage from the morning and that day. So, good morning, guys. I just woke up and me and Brenna are about to go ahead and get on a canoe or whatever it's called, the paddle boat, because we have not been on yet. Right now, I'm standing on like a little wall thingy, and then after that, you have like, you know, you can get out on the water, and then I keep looking back because they up there. So, we are going to get on the paddle boat. And then we're going to hike Stone Mountain and probably get some. You just kick stuff on me.
Sorry.
Hey, Bubby. Are you ready?
Oh,
that's going in. You want to
God.
be funny.
It's in woods.
What? I ain't tripping because it's like fresh air out here. It's a place right there. And then when you walk on the path, it's a place near some trees.
All right, so. All right, our air mattress popped, right?
Hold up.
I didn't say you did it.
Let me tell you what he did before this. This little punk. So we about to go to sleep, right?
Oh my God.
And I don't know why.
Ashton, I did not.
Not AJ. Brennan. You did. Okay? He's a freaking punk for this shit, yo. So out here, the ants are like so big. And I'm not used to seeing ants like that. The ants are huge. I'm not talking like this. They're like thick. You know what I'm saying? So they look like they got stingers. I can understand that. So it was an ant in our tent. I said, boo, it's an ant in our tent. He said, no, it's not. Strike one. He tried to act like he didn't see it. I seen it.
I said it's not in the tent. I thought it was on the other side underneath the rain fly.
He tried to act like he didn't see an ant inside the tent. And I shot my flashlight and I showed him that it was inside my tent. And he gonna smack it my way.
No, I smacked it. I smacked it and it landed on me.
Okay, when he was finally done being in denial about the ant being in the tent because he was scared of it because it was so big and juicy, he gonna smack it my way. And I flinged up, I said, grab it and put it out the tent. He said, I'm scared too.
I didn't say that.
You did say that.
Dude,
and the fact that you're lying about that.
No, seriously. Ashton popped it because she got mad about
No,
that.
I didn't. That's okay. So one thing about me, I always wear anklets. I don't know if it was my anklet. I don't know if it was the dirt on my feet because I had on these sandals. I didn't have on those socks like Brendan did. But when I got on the bed, I started to feel air pussing out.
So nonetheless, I didn't sleep at all last night. My feet touched one end of the tent and my head touches the other. And I wake up, I'm all the way in the corner like this. And I turn around, Ashton is right next to me. And there's like this much space left on the tent.
First of all, let me tell you why. Because I told him in the middle of the night, I said, just unblow the whole tent. Because I was getting fed up. Because look, this is what he did. It's one little hole, right? So like every hour that go by, we about to suffocate in this airbag. And I'm like, bruh, just open the whole tent. But I'm over it because I'm just waking up. So I'm like, bruh, just open the whole tent. And he was like,
open the whole tent.
Okay. I mean, open the whole airbag. He was like, okay. Let me tell you what he did. He didn't twist it to where it lets all the air out. He popped it out. Lazy. No. Everybody know when you pop an airbag, the air is like one way. It'll go in, but it won't come out as easily.
Ashton, I unscrewed it.
Brendan.
It has a one-way valve where air can only go in.
Okay. So why when I was sleeping, there's a whole lump on my side of air? That's why I was revert to go over to your side. That didn't make no sense.
You just, exactly, but you just wanted to get close to me. That's all.
I really didn't. The airbed was like so puffy on my side. I kid y'all not. Like, put that on. Nah, I ain't gonna put that on nothing.
Bro.
But I'm telling the truth. Like,
Nah, it's like, cause I have 2 dogs and they do the same thing.
first of all, dogs and me are two different
I'm not comparing you to a dog. I'm just saying. I got 2 dogs, so I could be sleeping and then next thing you know, one will be in between my legs and one will be like in the small of my back, or like her cat will do the same thing. But anyways, we gonna hit you up when we off. My pocket.
Okay. Can you put this in the tent? I think if your phone get wet, my phone get wet.
Yo, relax. We see you. And Ashton, what are you talking about?
I ain't chancing it. Why my things smell like Doritos? His look too small. Is it relaxing when you get out there? Or is it just non-stop work?
But you'll see.
You gotta constantly paddle with a kayak.
Not really. Once you get
It's
in
a
the middle,
stream kind of
once you're in
though.
the middle, you ain't got. Once you're in the middle, you ain't got to do it.
Alright,
So
put kayak.
to get out of there, you have to pull
Ew, ew, ew. It's dirt on that part. He tried to touch me.
You gotta put the seat in.
Are you ready?
I think it's gonna be satisfying. What?
Your talkie fingers are not satisfying, Lauren.
I'll hold the paddle.
That jungle is gonna be in your fan.
Wait.
Move your foot, Eddie. Let me step where you stepping.
Yeah.
Look at that. I've been losing balance lately.
Come on,
You
boo.
ain't tell me it was nothing right there, AJ. Down.
Hey, stand where I'm standing.
Shoot.
All right. So now Brendan has to pull. Why? No, other way.
Look at the mountain. Wow. Oh, shoot. Hold up, Brendan. Wait, stop pushing so hard. Hold up. Yo. Yo, per. Yo. Brendan.
Went in the back.
Brendan. Let's switch real quick.
No.
Oh, shoot. Brendan.
Grandmaster Funk in this bitch.
Dad, why you got a rag on your head? Oh.
Even though
Try to be
Brendan's
a
doing all
pro.
the rowing anyway.
No! You see me rowing.
Thanks.
All right.
This is the
Where you going, Ashton?
Have fun.
Ashton.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, we got clothes on to go get. You got clothes.
It's her birthday. What you about to get up and do?
The clothes is in
No, Brendan. This is no.
What?
They waiting on you, ass.
Look, he trying to show off, y'all. Look at him. I'm screaming right now. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Will it mess up if we roll over y'all string like that? Okay. Alrighty. We are here. Brendan, trees, Brendan. And we stuck. Now I gotta get out with the water.
Wait, don't pop it. Hold on, Brendan. Okay. Woo! We are here.
Here's my Jeep.
You trying to be protective? Oh shoot!
Look, yeah.
That was really fun. All right, I want to go change my pants for hiking because I feel like I peed myself.
All right. Yeah.
Oh shoot! So my phone won't drop.
This is where we base our kayak looking at.
Ugh. Uh-oh. Boom. Okay, now we gotta put the paddle up. Now we're about to go hike the mountain. Today, wasn't this a great idea? We're being a little bit adventurous.
I'm sweating.
That was a great idea, Mom. Cue adventurous music. They're so cute. Look at how their little heads are just like green. It's so cute. I don't want to scare it. Okay, I'm scaring it. I'll just back up. What, are your little legs shaking? Mine are too.
Come on, guys.
Mansion.
Bro, my birthday.
We're about to hike back down. Let's go pick up Adrian and Lauren. The Dodge truck just driving on Stone Mountain right now.
What if somebody rolls over?
Rolls down the mountain, trips over their foot. Let me actually tie my shoes before I start talking shit.
Oh, gosh.
You're fine. If I can do it, you can do it.
If your dirty ass Birkins can do it, we can do it.